Good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning. Sorry, trying to find the right angle. So, I just got done getting ready. It's about 9:45, and I wanted to get into my classroom earlier today, but I've just been really slow today. You know, we have our ups and downs. The other day I was really energetic. I mean, I feel fine. I just kind of just chugging along. Maybe need some more coffee. So, and it's only 57 degrees this morning. It is chilly out here, and it's only going to get up to 73, which is really nice because the weather has been hot. I know my Arizona family's thinking, whatever, Stacy, hot? Yeah, right. But it has been 90 degrees, and most people that live here don't have AC in their homes or central air, so it gets a little bit hot. So, but thank God I have some portable ACs in our townhome, so that's really got us through the summer. So thank God for that. Right now I am going to head to my classroom. I'm going to stop at Hobby Lobby first, and I know exactly what I want. So I'm going to walk in, grab it, and go. And it's just border that I ran out of that I really liked from there. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, they have some more on clearance. And then I'm going to head to my classroom. I am going to work my butt off and probably leave around 3. Then I'm going to go to Trader Joe's and go grocery shopping and come home and make a nice, yummy, healthy, wonderful meal for my sweet family. My husband has been working like 12 to 14 hours a day, so I want to make him a really nice meal because he deserves it and he never complains. Just, yeah. So anyway, I will talk to you guys when I get to my classroom. All right, talk soon.
Guys,
bye.
I'm going to show you real quick. I just got out of Hobby Lobby, and of course I ended up getting more things than I needed. Oh, I hate when that happens. But they had these, I'm in my car right now. So they're just wall stickers, and they were originally $20 and they were marked down to $1. So I got 2 packs of those, and I like how they have like the math symbols because I do teach math. So I know I will put these to good use, and for $1, you can't beat that. And then there was, oops, I'm blocking the camera. I got this pack of scrapbooking paper, and it was on clearance for $5.99, and there's 50 sheets inside. So I'm hoping to use this to display my students' work. So I hope I like the patterns inside because you can't open it. So she said I could return it if I don't like the patterns, but I have a good feeling about this. And then what I went in for was the double border. I really like their border from there. And then I don't know if you guys ever buy border from Hobby Lobby, but you open it up and it's 2 sets of border. So that's what I went in there for. But anyway, I am gonna turn you around. I have to go get gas and then a coffee and get to my classroom. All right, guys, I will talk soon. Bye.
Hey everybody, I'm in my classroom. It's about noon, so I just wanted to show you and give a big shout out to Brittany. Brittany, if you're watching this vlog, thank you so much for setting up all my technology. Love you so much. It just made my day. So that is set up. Now I am going to work on all of this right here and figure out exactly where I want my furniture to go, because now that this is set up, I know exactly, well, I don't know exactly right now, but I will now know how I want my tables to, or where I want my tables to be, and my carpets for whole group instruction. So I'm going to do that now, and then I will check in with you guys in a minute.
Okay, fellow teachers, so I was about to leave my classroom at this point, and I just wanted to give you a tour, a mini tour of my classroom and what I got done today, but I didn't have time to go over it piece by piece. So you'll see that I have my technology set up there. The back wall is getting there. I took my lights out because I want to hang those up. This is my area, my desk, and Again, this is the back area, and I have like all the student supplies kind of behind the TV. I believe I'm going to leave my couch there. And then here's just a view of the back of the room. And this is my front display that's going to have all the classroom rules and the school rules. This is going to be my small group instruction area. I think I'm going to leave it there. That's going to be another small group instruction area back there with that table. This will be my whole group instruction right in front of the smart board. So they just sit on the floor in a circle. In the right corner there, I have like my whiteboards and more flexible seating options. And again, this is just an overview of my area. I do like to have an area in the classroom.
Hey guys, I left my classroom. It is about 3:20 Friday afternoon. I got there this morning. What time did I get there this morning? Not till like 10 or 11, I think. It seems like after a while, the days just like roll together. And when I'm editing my vlogs and I'm just like, did I already talk about this? Boy, that's a lot of work, you guys, for people that normally do vlogs. You know what I'm talking about. I'm like, did I use this clip? What day was this? So when I save my clips, I am trying to put the day in there, like when I save it, when I title it, because it's hard to remember. But anyway, so I am on my way to the grocery store, to Trader Joe's, one of my favorite places. I haven't been there in a while, so I'm excited to go. And just gonna get some food, go home, see my kids who have been sleeping all day. Oop, this isn't my turn. See my kids who are still sleeping. I called them to bring them with me, but they didn't answer the phone because they're still sleeping. So I'm just gonna go shopping. Got some more stuff done in my classroom. In the clip that you saw before this, I just did recorded it and did a voiceover because I just didn't really want to take the time to go over every little thing at that moment because I gave myself a time limit of how long I wanted to stay there, because if I don't, then I'll stay there too long. And I'm really trying to balance my family life and work life, and I've been trying to do that for years, and it's hard, but you just have to cut yourself off. Like, I left a mess in there. I didn't even take the time to clean it up. I'm like, I'm leaving. It is still technically summertime, right? So I would like to enjoy that the rest of the time I do have with my family, because as a teacher I work 10 hours a day, sometimes more, depending on what's going on after school. So I want to enjoy what time I have left of summer. And we're definitely going to plan one more family thing to do. So me and the husband will talk about that this weekend. And I may go into my classroom tomorrow. We'll see. I would love to take my daughter with me. Because she is such a great help. So hopefully she'll go in with me and help me get some more stuff done, because as you guys know, that list, it seems to just get bigger and bigger. Even when I cross something off, I add something. Oh, there's always something to do, but I'm trying my hardest not to let it get to me, because if kids were to walk into my classroom right now, I could teach them. I mean, and if I don't get all this stuff on the wall that I want to get up, that they're not even going to notice anyway. It's okay. And it's fine. So I'm really trying to look at it with just a positive attitude and stay positive, because I'm excited for my school year. So, and if I know I'm not going to get everything done that I want to get done anyway. So why stress myself out about it? Because last night I was stressed out about it, and my husband could tell. And I don't want my stress over work to run my evenings with my family, and I felt like it did that last night, because I was stressing over getting things done in my classroom. And there's a lot of construction over here, and
oh, I just regret that because I shouldn't let my work life interrupt my family life. It's just not, I'm not going to do that this year. I'm not. And I'm going to promise my family that, and my husband. I feel so bad because I was kind of cranky last night because I was thinking about things that I need to get done, and it's just not right. So anyway, I'm about to pull up to the store. So I'm going to find a parking space, and I will check in with you guys again. Probably, we'll see. I mean, I'm going to go home and cook dinner and all that stuff and hang out with the kids and then edit this vlog and get it up because it's a really short one today. So if I don't talk to you again, thank you so much for supporting my channel and subscribing. I appreciate it so much. And please make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'm always looking for feedback or suggestions or ideas for my classroom, so please leave those below. And I just want to say God bless, and I hope you guys all have a great rest of your Friday and enjoy your weekend. All right, thanks everyone. Bye.